Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the designer in PowerPoint. Now first, open your specific account or your application of PowerPoint, and onto the top right corner you'll find here the designer. To enable this or to open this, just simply click the designer and you'll now have the specific designer. Now if it's not available on to your specific application, you need first to update or to purchase a specific latest update of the PowerPoint. Now, if you don't have one, what you need to do is to open a specific web browser. And then what you need to do is to search for office.com. And then from here is to sign in onto your account. And then when you're done signing in, you can now use an online specific PowerPoint wherein you can access the specific things like such as a designer. For example, here I'll open a specific PowerPoint and open a specific template. From here, I'm going to use my specific account, and then you can now notice that I am already able to use the designer onto the top right corner. You can see here the designer, click on here, and you'll now be able to use this in online, or if you have a 365 account, you can use it also aside from specific 365 Copilot. And that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.